In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record audio for a voiceover in DaVinci Resolve. So as you'll see, I've got a project open that I'm working on, and I've got this track here, voice, that I want to record my voice on. And of course, to do audio recording and other recording type things, we want to go here into our Fairlight tab. So I'm going to click on the Fairlight tab and it's going to change. And then we're going to find our voice track. And what most people do is they come into here and they click on the record button and find that nothing happens. You can't get the record to happen. And when you click up here and try and click record, nothing records. So it's actually a very simple fix. What DaVinci Resolve wants us to do is to tell it what the source for recording is, which is why that won't light up and why when you press that, nothing records. So you come over here and ignore this. I've already got some effects plugged in, but what you'll see up here, this is the really important thing where it says no input. So I'm going to click on that and we're going to choose an input. And then you'll be presented with this patch input output screen. And simply what you want to do is you want to find your input, which should be displayed here on the left hand side. I've got a Behringer card here, so I'm going to choose input 1 and 2 because that's the one my mic is connected to. And then you'll see over here on the other side, on the right hand side, you'll have voice left and voice right. Now that's the left and the right channels of the track here that I've chosen. And of course those could be unplugged, and you could connect this to a different track or to all of them if you wanted to and have it record to all of them. What I'm going to do here is just make sure that I've got the track here, the voice 1 and 2, or voice left and right is selected and this selected here, and then click patch just down here. And then what you'll find is you'll see here that this input, where it said no input like the other tracks do, now has the input. So I'm going to close this box. Now when I hit the record button, you'll see that it just stays there. And also the other thing you'll notice is that you'll see this slider moving up and down because it's using that input to now record my voice. So when I press record, hello, this is me recording, and press stop, it will then have recorded that. Hello, this is me recording. And that's how to record audio in DaVinci Resolve.